Sawadee Krap and welcome to the Cotton Channel. Today we are in Thailand. We are in Kaen, Thailand. It's the northern region of Thailand, and today we are visiting the Walking Buddha temple. So the Walking Buddha statue, the Walking Buddha position is unique to Thailand culture, and you wouldn't find it in the other countries, the rest of the world, because it's specifically in Thailand itself. Because in other countries you only have the original one, you only have the standing Buddha, the sitting Buddha, the meditating Buddha, and the other position, but you do not have the walking position. So it is believed in Thai culture that if you pray to the walking Buddha will bring you charisma. It will bring you wealth, prosperity, good for your business, good for your career. If you are working, it's good for your career, and then if you are doing business, it's good for your business. It will bring you a lot of wealth luck, a lot of prosperity luck. Now we are at the Phutthamonthon
Isan.
temple. Phutthamonthon Isan. I still don't know what Phutthamonthon means, but then there are a lot of Phutthamonthon temple in Thailand. So this one is in Isan, and now we are going in. So this is the position, the walking position. And then the left hand is showing this mudra. This is called the Abhaya mudra. Abhaya mudra is the fearless what? I ask you not to be afraid lah, I think. Now we are walking up.
哇，自然隻咗，好嘅就係喺嗰度抹防曬，冇啊冇 dogs 冇個兩樣嘅，
你防曬嘅冇得。
冇啊咪冇 dogs，免啊不要緊。哦，
Oh, here is the mini size one. So we pray here first. Pray here. So we pray here first. So actually it's very quiet over here. There are no tourists at all. So according to the driver, the tourist guide, he said that this is a new place. And this is not. So according to the tourist guide, he said that this is an old place, but they have not developed this place until recently. They have just renovated the whole place. But there are not many people. Actually, there are no people at all. So apparently there's a gong over here. Very, very loud. Wow.
Prayer for blessing.
Very, very loud.
Name of the
So I'm going to
blessed
do
one.
this now. My turn. Now I'm going to hit the gong. There, I think. There am I, huh? And hit this 3 times. Very interesting. Very loud. Hey, I don't know if we are allowed to hit this gong or not, but apparently we are hitting the gong. Wow. Wow. But really, after hitting the gong, there's actually some feeling, you know. Like the sound is very relaxing. Okay, now we go to the other places. So they write this in Thai. So I think we need to translate this to English to understand this. Oh.
這咁寫你兩件嘅細線嘅物資料嚟，
唔是啊啦，
但都是掉落去超咧，there must be something.
There's a string. I think when they make their ceremony time, then they will connect this law. Then they cannot use the normal string to do because
所以
Keep
你
part it.
代表你 string
yeah. So maybe they make their ceremony over here.
咩啊？你幫大啲，
地圖啊你。
Huh? What?
幫咩？
Oh, so you see now Now they are going.
receive
They
the
are
blessing from
receiving
the
the
Buddha,
from the string.
and then become very bright,
Ayo.
and then we become receive the energy, receive the power.
No, 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 no. Oh, okay. He's putting it around his head. It's not. It's not fully wrong, but I think it should be fine. Ayo.
Power is coming.
So basically, this is also a Thai culture. They call this sai sin. So when they make prayers and rituals and whatnot and all these things, they will have this string that is connecting either the monk or the god or Buddha or whatever it is, and then they will connect it to the people who come and visit, who joins the prayer, so that they will receive the prayer. So I'm going to touch this as well. Ta-da! Okay. Just symbolically lah. Okay, they should have walked clockwise. Okay, clockwise is this side, what? Okay, so this is the front part. So got offerings also. Clockwise.
Huh?
Clockwise.
Okay lah.
It's in China. So there are 4. So really there's no tourists. There's no one at all, not even the locals. So right behind there, so right behind here, apparently the tourist guide told us that Long Po Kun, apparently a very very famous monk, his grave is over here. So if you know Long Po Kun, please let me know in the comment section. Maybe we'll be visiting it later on, but for now not yet. So yeah, so this is the, okay lah, I'm going to make my prayer. So we have finished the visit to the Walking Buddha. So it's actually a very simple place lah. There's not many people, so it depends on you. Not a must visit place, but if you want some blessing and some prayer, then yeah, then you should come over to this place.
พี่ครับ
Like because I am born on a Wednesday,
ไปห้องน้
so
ำมีห้
I
อง
go
น้ำ
to
อยู่
this place.
ใกล้ๆไหม
Very very hot.
ปตทเนาะ
Now we are in the van again. There's aircon here. So we are finished. So say goodbye to the Walking Buddha. Bye bye.
พอไก่ก้องอ่ะ